Meaning of George Harrison.
George Harrison.
George Harrison.
George Harrison.
George Harrison. George Harrison was an English musician, singer-songwriter, and music and film producer who achieved international fame as the lead guitarist of the Beatles. Born in Liverpool in 1943, Harrison was instrumental in the band's success and musical evolution, incorporating Indian music and spirituality into their work. After the Beatles' breakup in 1970, Harrison launched a successful solo career that produced hits such as My Sweet Lord and Got My Mind Set on You. He was also a humanitarian and advocate for various causes. Harrison died in 2001 at the age of 58.